up and push towards the ceiling, nice and slow. So around 2 seconds up, 2 seconds down. Keeping the tension always towards the ceiling, keeping your abs braced and your hips nice and square. So if you're finding it hard to balance, take your hands slightly wider and try not to hyperextend your back, but you're not pushing really high. So we're going to go 3, 2, 1, relax it off and change it straight round to the other side. Straight in. How you feeling, mate? Alright. Thanks for that, mate. So just remember, toes down, heels up. We're really going to activate those glutes. One side at a time. 15 seconds left. Nicely towed. Nicely warmed up. We've got a couple of seasons coming up for you. You're really going to shake that to finish. So we've got 3, 2, last one. Relax it all the way off and bring it over onto the back. Okay guys, so back's down on the floor. Arms out for your side, heels tight on the floor. We're going to do shoulder raises. Bring your hips up nice and slow, down to the floor, and back up again. You should be keeping a nice straight line in the back. Alright, and really squeezing the glute to the top to get a nice work with your glutes and strengthening yourself. Please keep moving guys, nice and slow, no need to rush this one. Keep going for another 10 seconds. Nice and straight with the back. Right, 4, 3, last 2. This time, lift your right leg up so your knees are level and lift up. All the way to the bottom and lift up again. Your knee wants to ideally stay in line with your other knee so you keep yourself nice and straight. If you need to push up a little bit, you can. Absolutely fine. Just to keep yourself balanced. If you've got your hands here, you might find you wobble all over the place. So keep going, 10 more seconds. Really get those hips up. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Swap the legs over. Left leg comes up. Exactly the same again. How you doing there, Leon? Butt aching yet? Yes, my butt hurts at the moment. So the one thing, if this is a little bit too hard for you guys, you can always just bend your leg and just keep your knees level, just to take the pressure off the hips slightly until you're able to actually keep your leg out completely straight. So you're doing fantastic. You've got about 8 seconds, and then we're going to move on to the abs. Good, last 3, 2, 1, relax it off. Well done. Roll your shoulders up off the floor. Bring your hands round, and we're going to slowly crunch round. 2 seconds, and then bring it all the way back the other way. And keeping your chin tucked in all the time. And reaching out for the heels. So this is really going to work down your side panels. Really drawing you in nice and tight. We'll keep breathing, last 5 seconds. And relax it all the way off. Just give your neck a quick break. Then roll it back up. And you're going to go into a slow crunch. So all the way up, tense down. And relax all the way up. All the way back up. So the main thing with a crunch, try not to crunch all the way in. You want to be raising up towards the ceiling. So the only good part of the crunch is the first 40, 50 degrees. Try not to go any higher than that. So we've got time for another 3. Give a deep breath. 1 more. And relax it off. Well done. So, hands all the way down. And now it's going to get tough. Keep your shoulders up. Reverse curls. So we go out and in and roll up. The main thing is to keep your shoulders up, to keep your lower back down. And extend your legs out as low as you can without hyperextending your back. If it's up there, that's totally fine. And just progress to get lower and lower. So you got 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, and your last one is to roll it out. Paddles. You're going to bring your heels above the other leg. So this is a little bit tough for you, and you feel your lower back is coming off the floor. You've got a big arch here. Just lift your bum up. Put your hands underneath your bum, so it pushes your lower back to the floor, and it keeps you a little bit easy for you, keeps you supported, if you need to. Alright? If not, just keep your arms out by the side and keep your paddles going. Take it there, mate. Alright? Yeah, not good. Try and keep them out onto the side. Keep those legs paddling. If you want to, behind the head, but do not pull the neck up. Nicely, do not pull the neck up. Keep going, guys. Another 10 seconds. This one's really starting to hurt now. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This time, skizzed. We take the opposite leg over the top. Really work on your transverse abdominals and your rectus abdominals on this one. You're really going to start to feel this. Bang it, Leon. Not good. I'm not talking. So it's getting tough. So make sure your shoulders are up. Otherwise,
emphasise that this last 10 seconds, hold on, we're nearly done before we move on to the legs. One more each side, right, left, and relax. Hold on, bring it up to the legs.
So guys, the last round, we're going to put a little bit of energy into it now. We're going to do the legs. So step back with your right leg, and we're going to do plyometric lunges. We lunge down, we jump across, and down again. So make sure, when you're doing your lunges, thigh and shin, power to the floor, and we're dropping straight down with the hips. We're not going forwards. Alright, just put too much pressure on the ankles. Alright, I'll wait for it. That's right, mate. Stay nice and upright. Keep going, guys.
Good, 2 more each side. 1, 2, step in, step nice and wide, take your hand behind your head, and sumo squat. So sumo squat is all about turning your toes out and making sure your knees go out over your toes and your back stays strictly straight. Drop down, same as always, to work the butt, push up through the heels. You got 10 seconds. This one's really going to work the inside of the thighs as well, guys. Indeed. Everyone wants to work a little bit of that. Do it. 4, 3, 2, and step in. Right, one of my favourites. Step wide and roll around and bring the feet together. Then bring it back. So you're working all of these hip muscles. And just remember, whichever way you step, you turn the foot on the leading leg, just to take the pressure off the knees. Step as low as you dare. Roll the torso round, and then lift up square. Nearly there. Good. One more each way, and back, and step in. Favourite, jump wide squat. So jump in, and bring the feet together. Easy. So come, thighs and start as you're working now, guys. Just remember, when you come in from your squat, you land on your toes. Just save your knees, alright? Nice and soft landing every time. It's also going to start to push your heart rate up. We're going to get a little bit sweaty from this one. We've got 10 seconds left. Let's keep going. Nice and low. Challenge yourself. Can you get that bum right down? Let's go. Good. Last 2. 1, 2. Game changer. We're going down into plank position. So let's bring it down. Take a deep breath and walk down. Brace the abs and walk up. And then walk it back down. So take it slow. Because this is the first half to your last move, which is a mystery.
A little sinister laugh at this one.
So 5 more seconds. Let's have one more after this. Alright, this time, walk yourself all the way up. Keep going. All the way up, nice and slow. Stand yourself tall. Walk back down. Here we go, all the way down. Put yourself into plank position again. Walk yourself up. And go all the way back up. So we're also stretching out our hamstrings in this one. Stretching is just as beneficial as power as well. It's important to release the tight muscles off. Good. Walk yourself back up. Keep going, guys. You can even bend your knees a little bit on this one. It's quite alright. Walk yourself down nice and slow. Slowly bring yourself up. So I know we said that with the last exercise. Alright, okay? So what we're going to do, one last exercise. You're going to lift your left arm up to the right leg and kick forward. This is a little pulse raiser, just to cool you down slowly, but also stretch out the hamstrings. If you still don't feel like you've had enough, well done, firstly. Second of all, give yourself a little crunch on the way down. Just rotate the back a little bit, and it's going to crunch your obliques a little bit more on your side paddling, okay? Always on the abs. So keep yourself going, guys. We're almost there. Keep kicking. A little bit of can never hurt anyone. So remember, if it is a little bit too hard for you, you can go to exactly the same one as I'm going to finish on, which is just a knee raise. Just get them as high as you feel comfortable, and exactly the same. You can crunch down. Last 10 seconds, guys. Slow it down a little bit. Take a couple of deep breaths. We'll go 3 more each side. So 1, 2, good. The last one on each side, and relax it all the way off. Take a deep breath. You've worked your legs. You've worked your butt.